Okay, start. Who will speak? Deepak? Deepak, are you going to speak?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Good evening, all.
Good
So,
evening.
the topic which is given by sir is family. So, talking about family, it is a very interesting topic, I would say. So, talking about family, if we see uh, when we if we go to the back era, that time the human and the family was totally there, they were totally different as compared to the today's generation or today's family. So people used to live in forest along with their family, and at that time they used to have uh, like their family, their kids, their parents and all those time. That time they used to live in forest, they used to eat the fruits and all this time, because that was a time where the agriculture was not that much developed. So people used to have to have the fruits and all uh, which were available, and they used to stay in a small the what we can talking about the shelter. They used to prepare one small kutia, and they used to live in there. And it was a time where the due to lack of cotton and all those things, they used to have the leaves of trees. They used to like cover their bodies by big leaves. And that time the language was not that much developed. So that time they were used to understand the language uh, because the language was not developed. And day by day, or we can say after the uh, few decades, there has been a drastic improvement and there has been a drastic changes which we can see. After that, the families are getting they are adopting the new cultures. They are ready to go beyond their box. I mean, wherever they were, the area was very limited that time. Now they have started thinking beyond their box or beyond their uh, capacity, I would say. That time they used to celebrate small functions, and it was a good time, because that time the family, entire family used to come together, and they used to celebrate various kind of functions and all those things. So it was a nice time, I would say. Amenities, lack of due to lack of amenities, uh, they were not like I mean the time, that time was very I mean, it was not that much developed. So due to lack of amenities, their area was very restricted. So as far as the family is concerned, there are two types of family, I would say. The joint family and separate family. And along with that, I can say society has created uh, another two types: rich family and poor family. So uh, earlier people used to live in one family. They used to live in one shelter or one home, because that time they used to you know celebrate a lot of functions. They used to go wherever they want to feel that they have to go, or they would like to go to anywhere for any function, to attend the function. So they used to go along with the entire family. Now everyone's priorities are getting changed. Their priorities are getting changed, and a lot of people are not like to attend these kind of functions and all those things, because as I said earlier, everyone has their own priorities, their own jobs to do and all those things. That is why they are not getting that much time to attend the function and all those things. So the families, like if we talk about the changing nature of family, as I said earlier, it was era, or it was a time, that time people used to send the letters to their like their family members, as a part of my elder brother, he's in Indian Army. When he joined Indian Army, it was 2003. So I used to send letter to my brother, because it was a very like we were not aware, or we were not having that much facility. So I used to send the letter, and I used to mention the all emotions of my family, because it was a time, that time I can have a lot of, I can write it down, the emotions of each and everybody, and I used to send that letter to my elder brother. So so now the families are, their natures, their emotions, their understanding and all those things, it is getting changed day by day. And we can see the various types of family in our society. uh, like there like I mean, uh, some people or some families, they want you to help, because it is there in their nature, it is there, like born and brought up. I mean, it is the gift of God. So they want people to help each and every time wherever they require the help, the support. So the nature of the families are not same, it is getting changed family to family. So having a good and bad families around us, they give us the advantages and disadvantages as well. We should not uh, every time we should not rely on the others family, because uh, after the span of time, or after the uh, few years or a few days, I would say a couple of days, we used to, uh, like we everyone every time, whenever we feel that key I need a help, we every time we go and knock their door, and we seek for the help, or we seek for their support. So that should not happen. We should be like a as a whole family, or the entire family, uh, they should be more capable to resolve their own problem. They should not rely on the other families. So this is a disadvantages. So like having the good families and having the uh, various type of family, they will give you the disadvantage as well. As I said earlier, we should not rely on the other family. And like as far as the future of family is concerned, uh, it is again the depend on the family, their family members, their ancestors as well, because the mature family or the educated family, uh, their family members, their next generations uh, will will be as like their ancestor only, because there may be a chance of uh, changes, because one good example I would like to tell you, as a HR business partner. We are like, I'm a HR business partner of one Indian MNC. So I can see the people, various kind of people, various kind of families they are belong to. So it's again if the family is you know the family is very well educated, so we can see their children's as well, having that much maturity. And we should not uh, we will not waste our time, or we will not that much explain them to understand, because ultimately they have a good understanding and a good maturity. So in that case we can say we will save our energy. And there are families who are like their nature, their emotions, their behavior is inbuilt. I think it is the gift, it is the gift of their ancestor. They are too much angry, they are too much not cooperative. Every time they will be getting uh, you know they will be having anger whenever they feel that this is not happening as per my wish. It is not happening. uh, so their nature will be they will try to show their colors, various type of color, wherever they feel this is not going to happen and all those things. So
Hmm.
so what I feel is family is a like family is a function who should work as per as per the requirement of society, because we will have to change ourselves as per the society, or as per the market, or the people around us. And if we would like to grow ourselves, or if we want to be a part of a good society, first of all we have to look at ourselves, where we are, what we are doing, and what we have to do. So to become a great person, or to become a good family in a society, we have to change ourselves, we have to develop as per the requirement. So this is what I would say about family. Thank you so much.
Very good start by Deepak.